Hi guys, it's me here, Chocolate Madness, and today I am doing a video on Trinket. So first of all, I am going to click New Trinket and then choose Blocks. And first of all, I am gonna go to Turtle and pick the pen up. And then I am going to shape not turtle but a classic. Then set color to, I'm just gonna remove you. Colors, random color. We're gonna go to turtle again and pick circle 100 and then pan down. This is the code. And one more thing. I'm gonna go down, begin fill and end fill. Begin fill here, end fill here. Let's try it out. This is the circle. Put now let's write circle and save it. This is the code of the written Python, and then this is the instructions. Now this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.